How to change Epic Game email without verification. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the web browser in your laptop or your desktop and on the search URL, type in Epic Games. After that, go to the first link that says store.epicgames.com. Now, once you land on this interface, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you're logged in, now navigate to the search URL right here. Now you have to edit that URL. You can simply remove the last part, that is en.us. So remove that and there type in help, then press enter in your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now once you land on this interface, here scroll down a bit and here under account, click on Epic Games Store. After that, scroll down a bit and there you will find an option as Contact Us. So click on that. Now, to change your Epic Game email without any verification, you have to contact to Epic Games Customer Service Support Center. So for that, your username will be displayed here and you will have your email. Now you have to choose the platform. If you are on your Mac device, then choose this Mac, or if you are on your PC, then choose PC. After that, you have to choose the Epic Games Store as well. And under that, you have to provide your reason. Now, under that, there is a text box to describe your problem. Simply type in that I don't have access to my current email address. So you can type in that I don't have access to my current email address, so please help me to change the email address. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on submit an email request, and then Epic Game will contact you back and will guide you through how you can recover your email address. So that's how you can change Epic Game email without any verification. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in next video.